Watch your crazy cats and welcome to Dazzle Rebel Rides. Now it's been quite an exciting month in the world of Indian motorcycles, or Indian motorcycle world if you like. And that is because we now know most of the 2020 range. So in this video we're going to take a look at the 5 things that you need to know about the 2020 Indian motorcycle range. Yes, hello folks, how you doing? If you're new to the channel, then you've probably got here because you love Indian motorcycles. Well, let me just tell you a little bit more about this channel first of all. My name is Dazzle Rebel and this is Dazzle Rebel Rides. So this is where I ride my Indian Chief Vintage and talk stuff about motorcycles. Simple as that really. I also started the Indian Motorcycle World, which is a group of creators from around the world who talk about Indian motorcycles, and if you want to see who they are, then there is a list in the description down below, so go check out those channels too, because they make some awesome content around the Indian motorcycle brand too. Let's take a look at this list, shall we? Well, this is 5 things that you need to know about the 2020 Indian motorcycle models. So there is no particular order to this list, so we might as well start with number 1, and that is the Scoutmaster. Yeah, I know, sorry, I took a bit of liberties naming this, and essentially it's just a touring kit for the Indian Scout, but you know what I mean, the reason I call it Scoutmaster, you can quite get it. If you don't understand, then go ask someone. Better still, drop me a comment down in the comment section and I will let you know. But yeah, what do we think of this? This is, I suppose it's an upgraded touring kit for the Indian Scout. It's something with a batwing fairing. Some of the things are already in the accessory range, for example those highway bars. But some things are new, you know, like that, those new saddlebags, you know, some new luggage. It looks as though they're a bit more modern looking than the older, or I'm not sure if they're outgoing or if you can still get them. I will find out for you. But the main thing about this kit is that batwing fairing. I mean, look how well, I think it's cool. I mean, personally, if I was going to have a touring bike, then I would go for a Chieftain or a Roadmaster or one of the touring bikes anyway. But on the Scout, if you want something a bit lighter but you still want that batwing bagger look, I think that is very, very cool. It won't be to everyone's taste, but this is motorcycling and cruisers full stop aren't to everybody's taste. So, you know, we're all in this little niche and it's all about making the bike your own, and I think that someone could make some really cool custom Scouts based on this new touring accessory kit. What do you think? So the second thing you need to know about the 2020 Indian motorcycle range is that some of the Thunderstroke models come now in 1/16 cubic inch as standard. So if you didn't already know, then the normal Thunderstroke range is 111 cubic inches, which is 1811cc. Interestingly, Indian motorcycle started back in 1901, and 116 cubic inches equates to 1901 cc's. Coincidence? One thing to note about this 1/16 as standard thing is it don't necessarily equate to the same as the big bore kit on a standard 111. I'm not quite sure on the exact specifications and the exact details, but I am led to believe that you still need to do a stage 2 or even stage 3 upgrade kit plus change the clutch plates around in order to get the same as what the stage 3 1/16 upgrade would be. Like I say, I'm not really 100% sure about that. Maybe someone who actually knows will let me know in the comments, and what I'll do is I'll pin that up to the top of the comments so that everybody knows. I love the smell of bitumen in the morning. interesting fact, or maybe not quite so interesting, but believe it or not, I used to be in reinstatement works. So what that was going around filling in holes, essentially. And some would argue that's what I was doing in my day job and my evening job as a rock and roll musician. So let's take a look at the third thing you need to know about the 2020 Indian motorcycle models. And that is, they've finally done it. There is a Roadmaster Dark Horse. So here's a question for you. If you was to be given an Indian Roadmaster Dark Horse, what colour would you want it in? I'll be honest, I'm a little bit conflicted. For me, I've always gone for classic black bikes, but that red, that flat red, looks absolutely gorgeous. And so the fourth thing that you need to know about the 2020 Indian motorcycle range is the anniversary Scout models. Obviously there's the 100th anniversary Scout, which is limited to 750 models, and it looks incredibly classic in that Indian motorcycle red with all that gold pinstriping, and you know, oh, it looks lovely, 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 lovely bike. And then you've got the Scout Bobber 20 that comes in 3 different colours. Now, when I first saw this, I liked the green, but then the bronze, that sort of burgundy, that reddish bronzy colour, that's grown on me. But then looking at the pictures, I actually really like that black with the logo on the side. So there's 3 different bikes in that particular bike model, 3 different colours that I really like, and I'm not really sure which one I'd go for because they're all really nice. And so the fifth thing that you need to know about the 2020 Indian motorcycle lineup, as so far announced, is there's no Indian Challenger, Raven, Raptor, or whatever they decide to call it in the end. You know, that new teased bike with that liquid-cooled Power Plus engine that's in it, that looks like it's derived from the Victory line, or was, you know, eventually going to be the replacement to the Freedom 106 engine. Of course, that's all speculative, and it's even more speculative because it hasn't been announced. Whether this means it will end up being a 2020 model and, you know, will have its own release in the very near future, that is yet to be discovered. What it does also mean is it might just been a big hoax. We just don't know. So that's 5 things you need to know about the 2020 Indian motorcycle lineup. But let's have a bonus one, and that is FTRs. There's been no changes to the FTRs as far as we know. You know, we look at what's in the lineup and it just looks business as usual. So does this mean that there's going to be no changes at all to the FTR lineup, or, as with possibly the Challenger, is there going to be some kind of big announcement in the near future? That's something to speculate about, isn't it? Of course, we do know that the FTR it has the potential to be a fantastic modular platform. You know, all you need to do is change the wheels on it, change a few of the styling things, and all of a sudden you've got a naked sports bike. Another thing you could do is add a slightly more substantial rear subframe to carry some heftier luggage, and all of a sudden you've got an adventure bike. So like I say, that's something to speculate about down in the comments as well, isn't it? And that's pretty much it as far as we know now for the 2020 Indian motorcycle lineup. Of course, as we find out more, I'll be on top of it, and I'll come back and have another discussion with you folks. For now though, as always, if you like to ride, be sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you next time. Bye.